Hello friends, good morning. Rodenticide is the today's topic. Now we are studying the topic agrochemicals. In that, rodenticide is the one of the type of agrochemicals. Rodent, rodent are the one of the type of class of mammalians. Rodents are generally killing the organisms, killing the animals like rat. It is the special types of chemicals which stop the breathing process in the rat. Means actually it is like arsenic or other types of materials which stop the breathing process. Means that animals like rat feeling the suffocations, and it goes into the open space and think that it will get the more oxygen and feel the better, but it is the effect of that rodenticides. It makes it to be apart from the congested place, and there in this open space it will be die. So it is a rodenticide. It is also chemicals. The rodenticides are the chemicals that prevent the inhibit to grow, the destroy or kill the rodents. Class Mammalia order the rodenticides. Uses rodenticides are used as the rodenticides are used as a control the rodents pests. They are uses to make the rats go out into the open space to die. Examples: Crimidine, the one of the examples, are the highly toxic to rats. Next is the plant growth regulators. In the plant growth regulators, in the earlier classes we have studied that there are some materials, some chemicals present in the plants that help to growth and developments. It is present in the plants naturally. If it is a sufficient quantity, then the plant can growth. It is there are two chemicals, that is the auxin and gibberellin. If plant growth regulators, these are auxin, gibberellins. These are plants in the plants in the flowering part or in the apex of the plants, so that plant can grooms and increase its heights. But in some plants it is not sufficient to give the required results. At that time it is spread, it is given externally, and it is agrochemicals. They are spread on the plants so that the required, so that the plant can reach to the required heights require development there. These are the plant growth regulators. These are the types of hormones. The plant growth regulators are the chemicals that cause the acceleration of the retardation of the rate of growth or mutes the retardation control of the plants. Hormones are the natural chemicals substances produced by the plant that control the growth, intimate the flowering, cause blossoms to fall, control initiations and termination of the dorness. Plant growth regulators are the classified into the former axins, gibberellins, cytokinins, inhibitor and retards the and then the ethylene generators. One of the first is plant growth regulator is the auxins. The auxins are the compound that induces the elongation in the short cell. The natural occurring indole acetic acid 2,4-dichlorophenolic acid. Natural occurring auxins is indole acetic acid. Chemical name is 2,4-dichlorophenolic acetic acid. Next one is the plant growth regulator is the gibberellins. Gibberellins are used to increase yield of the calyx, to break down dormancy of the potato seeds and to delay the fruit maturity. Gibberellic acid are used to initiate flowering of the grapes. Gibberellic acid is applied to the changes in the metabolism of the host to control the disease of the plants. Next plant growth regulator is the cytokinins. The cytokinins are the compound that stimulate the cell division in the plant. Zeotine delay the degradation of the chlorophyll. Inhibit and retards. Inhibitors are the compounds that retard the physiological and biochemical process in the plant and also accelerating the ripening of the plants. Ripening the plants. Example, abscisic acids. Next plant growth regulator is the ethylene generators. Ethylene generator can inhibit the growth and accelerate the leaf and the flowers. Example, ethapan. Next point is this is all about the plant growth regulators. Farmers spread this plant growth regulator by using the sprayer on the whole plants by seeing conditions wherever it is required. If one of the plant is growing more fast at that time, to stop the growth, some plant growth regulators are Some are when the plant height is not reaching up to the mark at that time. Some plant growth increase are applied. These are very helpful for the farmers. Advantages of agrochemicals. Agrochemicals advantages. Agrochemicals are used to improve the soil and crop conditioning in the agriculture. Agrochemicals are used to ensure the better potential to against the diseases. These are about some are missing advantages of agrochemicals. Agrochemicals can also be used to increase the fertility of the soil. Agrochemicals are used to control the rodenticides, control the fungus infection on the plants. Agrochemicals are used to cover the various diseases. Agrochemicals are used to kill the unwanted herbs in the plants. These are the various advantages of agrochemicals. So in the next lecture we will discuss the biopesticides. Okay friends, thank you.